Hello everyone, welcome back to Compared. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I am very excited to bring you my review on newly launched JBL Authentics 300. But before I begin, I would like to thank you guys for showing your love and support. It's a motivation for me to do more and better. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to stay up to date. Guys, JBL recently launched a new lineup of smart home speakers Authentics 200, 300 and 500. In this video I am going to review Authentics 300. The reason why I chose Authentics 300 is because it's a portable speaker. Authentics 200 and 500 is not portable. But if you guys want me to do a video on 200 and 500 also, then just let me know in the comment section. So let's start the video. Guys, the speaker Authentics 300 can be categorized as a smart portable speaker. It's a smart speaker with 8 hours of battery life. The speaker comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Alexa, Google Assistants, Google Chromecast, Apple AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth. The speaker supports MRM, which stands for multi-room music. You can link multiple Authentics speakers in different rooms over Wi-Fi and play same music or different music simultaneously. It also supports Spotify Connect. The benefit of having Wi-Fi speaker is that you don't rely on your phone's music. You can stream your music online without connecting your phone. So you can enjoy uninterrupted music and keep using your phone for calls and other important stuffs. Isn't that great? The speaker gives you 100 watts RMS output. It's a 2.0 stereo system. The speaker sports a pair of 25mm tweeters, a full range 5.25 inches woofer and a down-firing 6.5 inches passive radiator. If we talk about its design, it has a retro design to complement any type of home decor or interior. A cast aluminum handle, a custom leather-like enclosure and Quadrex grill, which is basically a foam grill on the front side of the speaker, makes it look premium looking. Old school stereo system. It seems like the Marshall's monopoly in old school design segment is now under threat. The automatic self-tuning feature is great. It will automatically calibrate and optimize the audio performance for every type of space. If we talk about the controls, it has a power button, a heart button which is called the Moments button, which lets you access your playlist on your selected streaming service. There's a Bluetooth button, a volume button, which also can be used to play and pause your music by a single push, and a separate bass and treble button. The JBL One app also gives you access to more equalizer options. The speaker comes with Bluetooth version 5.3 and it weighs around 4.9 kilos. Sadly, Authentics 300 doesn't have any IP rating, which means you can't use it anywhere near pool or beach. So I guess it's time to listen to it. Let's play the music.
Once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So guys, how was it? What did you like about it? Tell me in the comments section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.